Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss question number 85 of AP EAMCET 2020. Okay, in this question it is said that the ratio of displacement to distance for a moving particle is. To solve this, we have to know what is actually displacement and what is actually distance. If we know the definitions of these two, we can solve this problem very easily. So for that, let us know what is actually displacement and distance is. If you consider a moving particle, that is A, it is moving from point A to point B, and from point B again it is moving to point C. Okay, so these are the 3 points which a particle is covering. Now if you consider the distance, it will be 4 or 5 for example. Now if I draw a line from A to C, this line will be displacement and the distance will be AB plus BC, and it is equals to 9, but it will be always greater than displacement because we know that displacement is the shortest possible. Sometimes displacement and distance are equal, but displacement will not be less than the distance. So the ratio of displacement to distance will be always equals to 1 or less than 1, which is S upon D will be less than or equals to 1. This will be your answer.